Really quickly, I want to return value and parameters and just sort of the black box idea recap. Okay. Now remember, when we write a function, it should be written in such a way that if we know what it does and we know what parameters it requires or arguments it requires, that we should be able to use that in a variety of different scenarios and a variety of different programs. I should be able to share it with a friend who's writing a program and wants to use that function. We shouldn't have to know what's inside here in order to use the function. All we should worry about is what goes into it. In other words, what does it require from me to use it, and what does it do? And so the inner functions of that function or the inner workings of that function or what code is inside or how it's done shouldn't really matter. It's kind of like the print function, right? When we use the print function, all we know is that we type the word print, we put some parentheses there, that whatever we put inside that parentheses gets printed out to the command line, just like magic, right? We don't really think about, what's going on inside this function? What does it do with the string that I give it? We don't worry about it. We just give it a string in the parentheses and it prints it. We just know that it works. We trust that it works. And when you write a function, a custom function, that's sort of the standard for making sure that it's a good function is if you know what goes in and know what it does, you don't have to worry about it. That's it. So we have parameters and return values, and what happens in the function stays in the function.